Hi, good day. My name is Siti Azura binti Abdul Rahim. Today, I would like to share a prototype using Figma for my final project for QIM 502. I have designed an app called Let's Lose Weight. As we know, the obesity rate in Malaysia is the highest in Southeast Asia. So therefore, I hope that my project will be able to become a tool to help overcome this problem. So the objective of my projects is number one, to provide knowledge on weight loss through balanced nutrition and consistent exercise. Be an apps that can store user information such as recording the weight loss, total calorie intake, and the amounts of exercise that has been done per day. And I hope my apps can become an apps that act as a support system because this app will provide reminder of the exercises to be done, provide reminder about the fixed sleep times and the amount of plain water to take per day. Furthermore, as we know, weight loss journey will take a long time. So, and this application will help to motivate the user from time to time. So this is the front page or the splash screens of my application. I choose the pictures of women who have a slim body shape to motivate the user to lose weight and get a beautiful body shape like this. Okay, the first time user, they need to sign up when first time using this app. They can enter their name, email, and password and sign up. After they sign up, it will navigate them to the profile or the main menu. If they have already registered their account, so they just log in and they can also log in using their social media account. In my apps, there are 4 main menu, which is recipes, workout plan, report, and mine. So for my design, I'm targeting the adults that will use my apps so that I just choose a simple design with a white background and the font is bigger and using the black color because adult does not really like the fancy designs such as kid. Okay, in the recipe menu, okay, so this app will provide 30 menus for 30 days. So every day, they will have the menu for breakfast, snack, lunch, and dinner. So this is the day 2 menu. And so this is the examples of day 3 menu. And as we can see, the menu provided has calculated the calorific value to ensure the weight loss goes smoothly. And also, this app will provide a varied menu to prevent user from becoming bored in the process of losing their weight. And I also included the real interesting food photo to pick the consumer's interest in adopting a consistently healthy and balanced diet. Okay, from here we can go to the next menu. Okay, so the workout plan. So workout plan, this app will list about 6 to 7 activities to do daily for approximately around 10 to 11 minutes only. Although it will only take a short time, but the chosen activities can burn a lot of calorie when done. And also, if we see this is the activities for day one, I will include the animations. That means once the user push the button start, so this will show the animation together with the sound, and the user will do the exercises together with these sounds and animation. And also, there will be the notification here when the user has finished the workout plan for day one, day two, day three. Okay, and also there are rest day because rest day is needed to heal the muscle pain once the user already do the exercises. For the day that did not done yet, there will be no notification here. Okay, as we can see also, the exercises is vary from day one, different for day two, and also the levels of difficulty is become increasing daily by daily. Okay, next we can go to the report menu. So under the report menu here, there are two types of report, that is calendar report and week report. Okay, under calendar report, there will be report about calorie intakes and the workout that has already done by the user daily. Okay, under the week report, uh, this will be the report of the week that has recorded by the user from day one and throughout their diet journey. So this will continue to give the user the motivation to continue the diet journey patiently, since they have seen how many kilograms they have lost. So this will become a good motivation for them. And the last menu is mine. Under the Minds menu, there are notification. The user can set the application according their own wishes, whether they want to sync the apps to the Google Feeds, or they want to sync, they want to the apps to set the notification for them or set the reminder for them. Okay, from here we can go back to the main menu, and also they can use the navigation button to go back to the main menu. So that's all from me. Thank you.